Hello, hello mga kachika. This is me again. And I will not talk about Visayan expressions today. Kay today is Good Friday and this is a special occasion for the Catholic Church. And I will talk about an article which is somewhat related to this special event. So, I will talk about the sheep. So, sa una nangutan ako, why? Why is Jesus being referred to as the sheep or the lamb? Ano, dili na lang other animals like donkey, like bird, other animals. Dili lang sheep. So, wala. Ako nang gihang ang question. Until I read an article which said that a sheep's body is special. Although a sheep is special because his traits can be also attributed to Christ, like obedient, murag humble siya, mild-mannered, and everything. But then there is also something special. The sheep's body contain special chemical. So they say that kung paakon gani ang sheep o snake, di ba, usually tagani no kung paakan tag snake, kay ba tag maunsa ta. But then, the sheep will not die. The sheep will just be weakened a little. Kanang mahubag katong gipaak, mahubag to siya. But it will not stop the sheep from eating, drinking, running around, doing the normal activities. Why? Because a sheep's body, kuno, contains antibodies, special protein, which act as antibody. And this antibody, ilang i-bind tong toxin katong venom so that it will not spread to the whole body of the sheep. And so, makuan siya, dili siya ma-poison. Unya, after a few days, wala na po itong hubag, no? Survive pa po siya. And later, the scientists discovered that ang sheep's body has processed the toxin or the venom. And the blood kuno sa sheep can be extracted and can be given to people who have been bitten by snakes as anti-venom. Okay, anti-venom. So, anti-toxin. So, this is the analogy. Christ also was subjected to the cruelty of the devil. You know, when we say a snake, there is a connotation that the snake is a devil, the snake is being sent by the devil. So, when Christ was crucified, he died, but he rose again. And then his body, his blood, became our source of life, di ba? And you remember in the Old Testament when our first parents fell into sin because of the temptation of the snake. The snake is the devil. So the first parents were injected with the venom, which is the original sin. And we inherited the original sin. Now, in the New Testament, Jesus died and he provided us the anti-venom. And if we drink his blood, we will not die. We'll be given eternal life and we'll be freed from the slavery of the original sin. And we will be freed from the devil. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing?